Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Farminda Fauzi. I'm entry number S50040. Today I want to present a review report on the ecological factor that influence the infestation of epibiont in zooplankton. First of all, the background of study. Daphnia magna is one of the most important group in zooplankton that live in freshwater environment. Daphnia commonly used in toxicity assay that relate to aquatic monitoring due to low cost, easy to handle, and has short lifespan. Epibiont may help to camouflage their host predator, while photosynthetic epibiont can yield oxygen. Most epibiont interfere with fitness of the host by pouring into their shells that may further lead to Daphnia's mortality. The problem statement. Although some studies report that epibiont can be removed by molting the host at regular intervals, yet the effectiveness of this biological ability to remove epibiont remains questionable. Trakel et al. 1993. When epibiont already infiltrate the surface and body subsequently, there is a possibility that this condition may result in death of the host. Dinu et al. 2011 and BC 2007. Next is significance of study. In this review, we will focus on the influence of the ecological factor on the infestation of epibiont in zooplankton. The objective to identify the ecological factor that influence the infestation of epibiont in zooplankton based on the information obtained from research articles. Literature review. Zooplankton produce nutrients slowly but consistently direct sustain to those diverse plankton. Rule and Smith, 2004. Their importance to ocean is because of their total abundance and important role to ecosystem. Richard, 2008. Most zooplankton are short-lived within less than 1 year. Plus, the environment and population dynamic can be closely related. His et al. 2005. Habitat and distribution is a genus Daphnia species include over 100 species well known as freshwater plankton organism. EBIT 2005. Daphnia habitat have wide range of pH between 6.5 to 9.5. Daphnia have low density usually during cool or dry season. EBIT 2005. The importance of live feed. Zooplankton are basis form of food chain. Ahta et al. 2012. Known as living capsule of nutrient. New 1998. It can lead to faster growth and higher survival. Ahta et al. 2012. Biology of Daphnia species belong to the order of Phylopoda that are planktonic crustacean. Dietary primary component of many invertebrates. Sim and Observer 2000. These organisms are more abundant in freshwater ecosystem compared to brackish-water ecosystem. Erondo et al. 2017. Okay, this is a picture of a Daphnia species. Next, aquatic epibiont will attach primarily to ventral margin of the carapace and swimming antenna of both immature Daphne and adult. Ellen et al. 1993. Function to attach and stick to other organisms for their own benefit, such as feeding and shelter. Require completely different adaptation to have balanced osmotic pressure and cell homeostasis. Smolder et al. 2005. Habitat and distribution. Different environmental can alter different epibiont attachment on various types of zooplankton. Trakel et al. 1993. Acidic environment, pH between 4.2 to 4.6 is not suitable for the epibiont. Casper et al. 2003. Freshwater epibiont. There are 38 famous genera of epibiont attached on 4 different classes of crustacea. Fernandez et al. 2000. Mostly attached to the gills of the shrimp because gill area can provide a constant water flow. Foster et al. 1978. Effect on survival and life history of zooplankton when the salinity alteration happened. Next, the marine epibiont. Succipirators play an important role on the body surface of aquatic organisms as ectocommensalism. Song and Warren 2000. Zootamnium species was found on the parasitic protozoa in mollusk culture water in the year of 2000 in a spring season survey at Qingdao, China. Body size locomotion of contractile vacuole have been used as identification and separation of genus. Verticilla sp. The largest genus of succipirators ciliate with more than 100 identified species by 2005. Stock epibiont ciliate exhibit 2 distinct life stages. First is the free swimming teratron stage for dispersal and the attached trophon stage for feeding. Bickel et al. 2012. The transition from trophon to telotroph triggered to death or molting of the host. Infestation of epibiont on aquatic organisms. Effect the infestation relate to biological traits of these hosts such as their size, maturity, and their behavior. Costa ETL 2010. The reduction in growth was observed due to decrease in food intake in Slan 2001. Its also increase of epibiont physiological stress will lead to increase the feeding rate of Daphnia. Allen ETL 1993. Ecological factor influence the infestation of epibiont. Increase the water temperature change, salinity, increase the toxicity, pollution, and decrease use of oxygen. Fick ETL 2007. Various environmental stress and stimuli such as salinity change, chemical exposure, heat, and infection. Beacons 2000. Lack of information on the effect of some abiotic factor, change toward the organism and ecosystem integrity. Garreta 2018. The discussion is epibiont give harmful effect to the host include decrease in reproduction, survivorship, and growth. Zoo and Birds 1991. It can lead to faster the growth and high survival. After ETL 2012. When the abundance of the epibiont increase over species of their host attachment, it will disturb host interaction. Host consumption intake will decrease due to competition of feeding rate. Compared both genera, different results of salinity effect on organism because of the using saline source is different. Goncalves ETL 2007 using NaCl, which is sodium chloride, and Elgamon ETL using sea salt obtained from saline company, and the salinity level of the saline is varies. So the conclusion, it gives direct effect to reproduction and growth of the plankton. The infestation of zooplankton of epibiont in zooplankton because of them have close relationship in ecosystem. This research review need to improvise in future with the collaboration of Department of Fisheries and researcher involved. This is my reference. Thank you. That's all from me.